Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo, pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. An espresso brown Ambitex interior. Sunroof. Captain's chair in the rear. Third row seating. Come around back. GLS 450 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all season and regular floor mats. Fold down third row seats. Come alongside. This one does come with a blind spot assist. Dark gray Linden wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, power windows, illuminated door sill. Hopping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera. New Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX.
What do you want to do?
You can give voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes, change ambient light to green."
What would you like to do?
Change ambient light to green.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Simple as that. You're able to give voice commands and it will do so. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLS 450 has 5,579 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, check out feldmanimports.com.